What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we sipping the Kool-Aid. We got some Samsung Kool-Aid over here. This is an unboxing. This is a device. Y'all know we got the Fold on the channel. We got the Fold 5 on the channel, but I'm super excited because of the upgrades to this device. And the Flip 4 was my regular daily. I picked it up a lot. We got the Flip 5 in the building. We about to unbox it. Let's go. So this is it, guys. I went ahead and did one of them amazing trading deals. I'm trading my Flip 4 and I ended up only paying like $100-something for the Samsung Galaxy Flip 5. I'm really excited. I got an exclusive color from Samsung. I guess maybe this colorway, these colors on this box show that maybe I got an exclusive color. I'm not exactly sure, but as you can see, typical fashion, typical Sammy box, black box. As you can see, Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 on the side. Now what we got going on in the box is the SIM ejection tool. We got a cable, quick start terms and conditions, just the regular stuff. And this is actually a 512, guys. 512 gigabytes Z Flip. So I'm excited. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Let's just go ahead and get the box open. I had a little unboxing knife ready and I forgot we don't even do unboxing knives no more. They got a little, you can just rip it open now. So let's go ahead with rip 1, rip 2 right here. Here we go, guys. So as you can see, you're gonna have the device right here wrapped in Christmas wrapping paper or whatever. And we got some other stuff in the top of the box. This kind of throws me off when they do the way that they've been doing this lately, but it was just like that with the Z Fold 5. So here we go. We just basically got a Type-C cable, quick start, SIM ejection tool. I'm gonna be throwing my main SIM in this Z Flip 5. Let's get into it. Here we got the Z Flip 5. Let me go ahead and unwrap it. So here we had a 512 gray Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, guys. It looks very good. Can't wait to power it up and take a look at this screen. As you can see, as far as the design go, the biggest difference is it having this outer screen and everything is all blacked out. This gray, it's kind of light. I wish it was a little bit darker. It's a very light gray. Definitely loving these frame rails. Definitely loving these black aluminum brush type frame rails. Really good look. What we got going on over here is a SIM card slot. And I'm not sure, this might be some type of antenna or some things of that nature. Bottom, we got the Type-C, we got the microphone, we got the speaker. And on this side, as you can see, we got the power button / fingerprint scanner, and we got that volume rocker. Cameras got a lower protrusion on them. Same dual 12 megapixel cameras, shooters out the back. This has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It doesn't feel too much lighter. I noticed the Z Fold 5 felt lighter than the Z Fold 4 to me, but this one still has like a certain heft to it compared to the Flip 4. And the hinge looks gorgeous, guys. I like this brushed aluminum look. This dark black aluminum is looking real fire with this light gray, which was just a little bit darker. The hinge itself, very sturdy. Till you get to a certain point, it like closes itself. So boom, it closes itself. The hinge on the Z Flip 4 stays sturdy all the way down, but a nice sturdy hinge you could put at a lot of angles. So the device is powering up. I'm gonna come back after I set up the device. Y'all don't wanna see me set up my fingerprint scan and put my email in. Let's set up the device and let's come back and talk about it a little bit. So basically, guys, this is the setup out of the box. I didn't set it up with a new phone or no things like that. Won't go through this device and completely make it mine and new and fresh and things of that nature. So just a little setup out of the box, and it's looking good so far. I like it. I like the Flip 4 that I had a lot, and this thing looks nice. The screen looks nice and black. I'm gonna put it in dark mode. Now this is the outside display. I will say this is a true outside display. Like, that's why one of the two big reasons I was excited about this phone, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and this outside display. Now, does it look as good as Motorola's outside display? Is it as big? No, but it's way better, way improvement coming from the Flip 4. Looks very dope. I'm glad they did, no matter what color you got, the black bezel, because it just looks so good. Kind of hides the fact that there's a lot of bezel going on down here around the camera section. So what I'm going to do, guys, is take a couple days to really get to know the new tech that I got, the Fold 5, the Flip 5, look at some battery life stuff, look at some performance stuff, things of that nature, and really, you know, give y'all a true right first impressions. I mean, aesthetically, this thing looks good to me, it looks great. I like how the Flip 4 look, but this has a bigger outside screen that looks better. I like these, this actual black aluminum frame looks great. The gray colorway, I just wish the gray wasn't so light. But yeah, it's your boy BG Tech Life. This is the unboxing of my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. I'm out. Peace.